Hello everyone. Today we are going to do subtraction with regrouping. So here we are going to do the difference. Okay, find the difference. The term difference is used in subtraction. Okay, the term difference is used in subtraction. So the first question we are going to do is 45 and 36. We have to find the difference between these two numbers. So how to find the difference? The term difference is used in subtraction. So we have to subtract 36 from 45. Let's do it. So here we start from the ones place. So in 45 we have 5 in the ones place and 36 we have 6 in the ones place. So we can't subtract 6 from 5. So we should borrow from the nearest place. So nearest place is tens. So when we borrow from the tens place, we will get only tens. That is, we can borrow only 1 10. So here we have 5. So when we borrow 1 10 from 4, that is 4 tens, 4 tens means 40. So when we borrow 1 10, we can write that 1 10 before 5. That is 1 10 means 10 ones. So we borrowed 1 10, that is 10 ones, and here we have 5, that is 5 ones. So 10 ones plus 5 ones is 15. So here we have got 15. So here the tens place, when we borrow 1 10, the number left is only 3 tens. Okay, so we can write 3. Now let's subtract 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we can write the answer as 9. So any two-digit number, this is start with 0. Okay. Now the next question is 74 and 27. We have to find the difference between these two numbers. So here in the ones place we have 4 in 74 and 27 we have 7 in the ones place. So we can't subtract 7 from 4. So we should make this 4 a bigger number. So for that we should borrow from the nearest place. So when we borrow from the tens place, we will get 110. So we can write that 110 before 4. That is, we can put a 1 before 4. Now the number is 14. And when we borrow 110 from 7, that is 7 tens, we have left only 6. That is 6 tens. Now let's subtract 14 minus 7. That is 7. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Here the answer is 47. Now move on to third question. 68 and 19. So let's find the difference. Here we have in the ones place 8 and in 19 we have 9 in the ones place. So we can't subtract 9 from 8. For that we should borrow 110 from the tens place. So here we have only the tens place, so we can borrow 110 from the tens place. So in the last question we have put 1 before 8. So now we will write like this. We can cut off the 8 and write the 18 like this. Okay, 18 above the 8. Now when we borrow 110 from 6, the remaining number is 5. That is 5 tens. So we have to find the difference from, that is difference of 18 and 9. Okay, 18 minus 9 is 9. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 49. Now move on to the fourth question. 18 and 13. It is 18 minus 13. So here in 80 we have 0 in the ones place and 13 we have 3 in the ones place. So as we do earlier, here we can't subtract 3 from 0. For that, in order to subtract 3, we should make this 0 a bigger number. So we can borrow from the nearest place. When we borrow from the nearest place, that is 110, we can put that 1 before 0, or we can cut off the 0 and write the 10 as a new number. Okay. So here I put the 110, that is 1 before the 0. Now the number is 10 minus 3 is 7 and 7 minus 1 is 6. The answer is 67. Move on to fifth question, 40 and 27. So here 0 minus 7. We can't subtract 7 from 0. We should make this 0 a bigger number. So we can borrow 110. So we can write that 1 before 0, or we can cut off the 0 and write 10 as a new number. Now here 4 will change to 3, that is 3 tens. Now 10 minus 7 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So here the answer is 13.